What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. We got another What's in the Box video for you today. We're working with the Revell 125th scale Porsche 914/6. This was a eBay score damaged box. Got it for super cheap because the box was in bad shape, but everything else was inside and sealed kit. I've already gone through and opened it all up and checked it out, so now we're going to look at it together. You can see right away the decal sheet is just outstanding. I mean, outstanding. So nice and crisp and clean, still in great shape. It's got instrument cluster and hood pins, and those look like those are probably rivets for the racing tonneau cover or whatever. I'm not sure what you call that technically. And then we've got two pieces of clear for the stock regular windshield and back glass and rear lenses, as well as the race version. It's got a much more dramatic slope to it. I don't know if the camera will pick that up or not. Probably not. It's got a much more dramatic rake, laid back, race style. And then it's also got a hole cut out there for the driver's head to poke through, I guess. And then same back glass and rear lenses. The chrome all looks nice, looks really good, nice and shiny and clean. Doesn't look like it's too boogered up or anything. Nice open back wheels. Those are going to look really good with the tires that came with it. Nice thick tread pattern, thick wide boys. No name on the profile, but a good looking tire. I've already popped off one of the wheels, put that in there to kind of mock it up a little bit. Yeah, that's going to look really good. And then, you know, some other various chrome parts. There's what looks like those are probably carburetors. I'm not exactly sure yet. It's a 6-cylinder Boxster, and it's not really a curbside. The motor is visible, but it's not really a standalone kit like we're used to in most engine. You can take the engine off and display it. You know, and then, you know, your bumpers and shifters and other various chrome parts. Those look like what? Exhaust? Probably. Nice. And we'll get into the body. Also looks to be really, really nice plastic, good shape. Not a whole lot of mold lines anywhere. The panel lines those will scribe out nicely. Everything will look really good once it's sanded down. Just nominal mold lines, but that'll clean up easily enough. With the undercarriage, typical VW pan. Like I said, it's a not really a curbside. I mean, there is a motor to be seen. And there's the front, or not the front, the rear bonnet lid, I guess you'd call that. And then the door panels have a neat wood grain on them. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. Again, I gotta stop using that as an excuse. It's got a really cool wood grain, so those will paint up nicely. And then the rear has the Porsche logo is on there. Nice, prominent, sticks out. Pick that out with a toothpick. And then this is what I can figure is the racing cover. You know, like when you put the seat in there, the one seat, and that covers up the cockpit area. Windshield surround. That's going to be tricky to get that to fit right. Looks like suspension, or no, is that exhaust? No, I'm not exactly sure. And your stock seat. I'm not sure what that is. It almost looks like one of those keys that you put behind a toy car. Brab, farfignuggin, frickin' pushing. And then your racing seat. Nice race bucket and a racing wheel. Looks like some of their hood, fire extinguisher, some exhaust. And then lastly, there's the regular pan, so you can put that in with the other seat, or like I said, you could cover it up and then put the racing bucket in there. So here's your transmission halves. There's the Napoleon's hat, the dashboard that has a kind of a, looks like a metal texture to it. It's not wood grain like the door cards, but it's got a neat texture. And then the motor halves. Wow, look at that. That's going to look sharp. More suspension components and wheel backs and springs and stuff. Pedals that have a little groove on it. Nice. So looks like this is going to be a neat kit. Looking forward to it. You know, and then of course you get your standard Revell instructions. Nothing new, nothing different. So that about does it for the Porsche 914, the poor man's Porsche, as they call it. Looking forward to this one. It's going to be a fun kit. This will be the next build on the channel. Just wanted to do this what's in the box real quick to get it out of the way so that I can start cutting this thing up and sand it and paint it and put it together. So that will be coming up. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give me a like, thumbs up. Click the like button. Make sure you subscribe, share, all that stuff. It really does help out the channel, helps out the algorithm, and I really appreciate it. So again, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. And stand by for the next one. Will be this one being built. That's it.